So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if the Google Chrome is not opening on your Windows laptop or computer running on Windows 10 or 11. Now in order to fix that, just simply go to settings. You can easily find out on the start menu, go to apps right there, click on installed apps and find Google Chrome in this list. Now here it is. Now click on the three dots right next to it and click on modify, or what you can do is just simply open it, and you can just by clicking on modify, just first of all make sure that you have started it, and if it is running on the background, make sure close it all. And again, when you click on modify, you'll see the option of repair the Google Chrome. So make sure that you repair the Google Chrome, and it will automatically check for the corrupted files, and it will definitely gonna solve your problem. Now restart your computer and try opening the Google Chrome again. It will definitely be open quickly.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.